Battery's low.
If each of these bills was $1,000, I would give 7 to the church. I lied. Let me take a look back. I would give 4 to the church. I would give 3 to charity. I would give 1 to personal fees. I would give 1 up here. Eyes up top, eyes up top. I would give 1 to the little nieces and nephews. I would give 1 to, well, so she would stop spreading germs. I would give 1 so that Marie could get that sex change and find a good girl. I would give 1 to Puppet. He's my favorite. And this bad boy, I would give to Nikki to buy a hat that fits her head. That's what
you might need to.
With my money.
You might need to.
And if I had more, I would probably have to give Nikki 2 more. Marie would need another one to get that Adam's apple removed. I would buy Mari a personal maid. She gets
you gotta buy her a foot.
Oh yeah, no, these 2. I would buy Mari a new foot.
No.
Look up here, look up here. Eyes up top. I would give somebody $1,000 if Raya could stay off the phone for 2 days. I would buy Vina a brand new attitude with all this money. All this right here. All this. This is worth $1,000 each. Get her a whole new attitude.
Why don't you take one and buy yourself a dab?
I would pay somebody $1,000 flat to slap the shit out of Matthew Porter. I would give this bad boy to Charlie and Coolio.